how to use Magic Compose in text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then I'll open up the text messages from the home screen or in the app screen. Now in here, I'll open up the text conversation. Then we go down to the text message. In here, you can tap on the add button, and then from the menu, tap on Magic Compose. So Magic Compose is an AI power feature in the Samsung Messages app that helps enhance your texting experience by suggesting smart responses, rewording messages, and offering different tones or styles. So here, based on the pictures or based on your previous text messages, if you tap on Magic Compose, it will suggest some text that you could use. And here, if you have your own text, so if you put in your own text like this right here, and then you tap on Magic Compose, so tap on that add button, then tap on Magic Compose, and based on what you write in here, it will provide some suggestions. Here is a remix. So the yellow cat has a stronger advantage in the fight, so you can choose which one you like to use. Now you can also choose a different style. So we've got Shakespeare, we've got chill. So if you swipe across, there are different styles that you could use. So the yellow cat has a slight edge in the battle. The cat on the yellow coat has a slight edge. So here we've got lyrical. So you can compose suggestions. Try a different message. Excited. So here we can try excited. Oh my god. The cat has a better chance in the fight. So you can see it just suggests other different tone and style that you can use. We've got formal here as well. Alright, so that is how you can use Magic Compose. Tap on that and then tap on send. So with Magic Compose, it can provide you a number of things such as smart replied suggestions, message rewriting, tone adjustment, emoji and GIF suggestions, and AI power personalization. And that's it. So that is how you can use it on your Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.